Welcome to the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. In case you missed it, be sure to check out in our video library on Lichtsinn.com our archived live interactive presentation from last month's webcast, in which we covered the most frequently asked questions on Winnebago's best of class camper van lineup here in our marketing studio. So be sure to check that out in our video library on Lichtsinn.com. Also, be sure to join us on Thursday, January 16th at the link that appears on your screen for our January live interactive presentation, where we'll have the Winnebago Forza lineup from Winnebago Industries here in our marketing studio. We'll have all of the latest enhancements to the Forza diesel pusher, including all new interiors, home theater seating, and the all new redesigned armoires in the 34T and the 36H. So be sure to join us on Thursday, January 16th for our live interactive presentation.
Hi, this is Reed Burkholder, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. For a limited time, we are starting a Rig Out Your Revel promotion. We are including a matching KO2 BF Goodrich performance stylized wheel with the Method 701 rim. We are also including an easy start into the air conditioner that allows you to use that air conditioner with a 2,000 watt generator. This offer is worth up to $1,100. We are also offering a $1,000 parts offering through our parts and service store, so you could select to go that route as well. This offer is good up until January 15th of 2020. Feel free to give us a call with any additional questions. You can call anybody here at Lichtsinn RV, 800-343-6255.
Hi, this is Brian Buffington, Service Director here at Lichtsinn RV. We offer a lot of different AM solar upgrades, things like battery monitors, increasing your solar capacity, or even adding solar capacity if you don't have it, changing out inverters or adding an inverter. Batteries is another big ad that we do, whether it be AGM or you're interested in exploring lithium-ion battery capabilities. All these options give you a wide variety of usages off the grid for dry camping and that sort of thing. During this month and through February, we are offering 10% off of labor on all of our solar upgrades, or lithium upgrades, or inverter upgrades for AM solar. If you have any questions on any of those, definitely call myself or one of our service consultants, and we can kind of walk through different options with you to kind of figure out a system that would best fit your needs.
Hey there, I'm Hannah, one of the sales managers here at the dealership. I just want to remind you how easy it is to schedule a live video appointment with one of your RV sales consultants. Simply call in, have the sales consultant email you a link. While we have fantastic media on our website, sometimes that's just not enough. And so if there's something in particular that you want to see on an RV a little bit more up close and personal, just call your sales consultant, schedule that live video appointment. It's as easy as us sending you a link. That link will bring you to our website, and then you simply hop on there with your sales consultant, and you'll have a live video presentation where you can go into detail on really anything on a particular RV that you're wanting to learn a little bit more about. So simply call into the dealership at 800-343-6255, ask for your sales consultant, and schedule your live video appointment today.
That's all we have for this month's newsletter. Make sure to call, chat, or text in with any questions you may have. Have a happy 2020.